This is how you can disable app restrictions on the iPhone. So let me show you how it could work. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Most restrictions are set up through the settings and a screen time section, so it's a good idea to head over there, and in here you can manage things like the app limits or downtime or content restrictions. So there are plenty of ways how you can restrict the usage of the iPhone. So obviously the app limits, it's pretty self-explanatory. You set up a time limit for specific apps, so you can turn it off right here, right? Or you can delete existing app limits specifically for particular apps. Then we have the downtime, of course. You can turn it off or stop the scheduling of that. Or you can as well go to the content and privacy restrictions, which if you want to completely disable, like stop any restrictions to be in place, you can just turn it off with the toggle at the top and you are basically done. Or you can just separately manage the restrictions one by one. So you would just go and open up the first section and make sure everything is allowed and so on. So it is up to you, but if you don't want to have any restrictions on the phone anymore, you can just turn it off like this. Of course, it can also be locked with a passcode, like these changes might be passcode protected, and this is a separate passcode from the one used to unlock the device. So it's pretty important to have an idea of what it is, make sure you remember it, because it's gonna be kind of hard to like reset it if you don't remember the passcode. So I really hope that I could explain it and help you out. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and guides like this one, and I hope to catch you later in the future videos as well.